I met Lander Camerero in Italy. I was jury member there in film festival, and he was very curious. He was filmmaker, participator, and very curious about Iraqi cinema. And when I told him about Iraqi cinema, he asked about the comedy, and I told him it's stopped since 30 years. There is no any comedy film, Iraq comedy film.
تشيك قائمة الأفلام اللي اختاروها الفريق ببغداد. تشيك القائمة مرة ثانية. ماكو أفلام كوميدي.
And then he be very curious, and as well he be crazy enough to ask me to invite him to go to Iraq. And then I invite him to the festival, and he come. And then he write his film there in our festival. While we are walking in the festival, he gave the story to make the first Iraqi comedy film.
هاي لجنة تحكيم وصلوا.
كم واحد والله؟
والله بس واحد.
أبشر. بس واحد.
وقبل غيره يجي.
So it was very difficult because I'm doing myself. In my situation, in my case, the same case which I'm working as a director of Iraq Short Film Festival, in the film, inside the film as well, but inside the film there is another script happen, another scenario, there is some action, and there is some dangerous things happen, some comedy things, which is normally not that much in the real life.
انتوا جايين تشتغلون كوميديا؟
كوميديا جادة مو كوميديا.
لك بابا شنو هذا الخرط؟
مو رخصتك يا أخي لازم نطلع أستاذ.
إذا تعتقد راح تلقى ممثل عراقي فيه خير ويقبل يصير مهرج فأنت واهم. لكم أنتم أيام الله ما عندكم إحساس؟
I think shooting in Iraq wasn't only difficult, it's kind of mission impossible, because all this film was full of production problems with the permissions, which we shoot in a city where you cannot carry camera.
يعني ماكو أي مبرر أن يكون وزير الثقافة هو نفسه وزير الدفاع. مرة تحدثت به أمام أصدقاء فنانين في مصر، تخيلوا أنه هو نكتة، يعني ما حد يصدق أنه يعني طريفة ومبكية أو محزنة في نفس الوقت، مثل ما قلنا شر البلية ما يضحك، يجعل من هاي المدينة سريالية.